Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another video. Yeah, we're out here on the St. Louis trying to find some nice smallies today, so stick around. Maybe we'll catch some fish. Maybe. Alright, well, we're here at our first spot. I've been coming out here a few times, and the first, well, not the first time, but we'll just say it's the first time. We worked this edge, and then we'll head down there, but it's further downstream. But we'll head to that area too. And first time I came out here, it was perfect. I caught a lot of bass and had such a blast. So we're out here. We're gonna see if we can do the same thing today. But that was several weeks ago, so we'll just see how it goes. Stopped in Cloquet, bought some jerk baits, some more jerk baits. We'll see how these go. These are suspending. What are these? Shad and golden shad, or however the hell you want to say it. So we'll tie one of these on. We'll work it. We'll see what happens. So I think we're gonna go with the gold one. It's really murky water, so, and most rivers are. So we will run with that. I don't know what I'm gonna run it on yet. Let's see now. I got a jig on this one. That one's coming off anyways. I think I'm gonna throw this. There's a bullet weight on it. I'm gonna throw this on here. Throw this bait on this rod. It's a little bit lighter. That'll stay on that rod. And we'll throw one of them. Those jerk baits are not gonna go on this rod. They'll go on this rod. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna take a piss first though. Tear this bad boy open. It's made by 13 Fishing. Kind of the only thing Outdoor Advantage had for jerk baits that were kind of small. You know, these are 3.5s or whatever these are, and the other ones they had were 5s. So yeah, I didn't want a 5, so we need to be in a little bit deeper water for these. I think it did say 5 to 9, so all I'm doing is I'm casting out where I think is a fish, obviously, but so with that weight, it weighs that lure down, so when I cast, it's just kind of bouncing off the bottom, and I'm popping it with my rod. Cast it out there, and I'll just kind of pop the tip of my rod, and that allows that bait to just, kind of just bounce. It moves back towards me. Makes it look alive, you know what I mean? Yeah, so just kind of popping it and then just dragging it off the bottom. Those fish will see it, and hopefully they'll take it. That's what we're hoping, anyways. I have this beetle, not beetle, but smaller jig. Wish I got black. There's a quarter ounce. I think I'll throw that. forgot I had these. They're gonna work perfectly, I think. Take my craw, right? There's this 1, 2, 3. There's 3 ribs in here. I'll just cut that first one off. Just like that. Just cut the tip off, and so it's a little bit shorter. And it'll fit better on this jig here, this little jig that I just found out that I had. Okay. Feed that bad boy on there. Just like that, we have a beautiful black and blue jig. I think that's gonna look pretty killer. I think we'll take it off. Oh, what am I gonna throw it on? Holy Christ. Just pulled the whole tree out of it. Well, first catch of the day is a tree branch. This rod is too light. Oh, I got one. Oh yeah. Oh, this is a nice fish. Very nice fish. Very nice. Oh my goodness. Stay on there, baby. Stay on there. Stay on there. Very nice fish. Very nice. Stay on here. Come over here. Come over here. No, 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 no. Come on. Come on. Get wrapped around my... Okay. All right. Very nice fish. Oh yeah. So my theory is right. Oh, he choked it. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. They're still around. Oh yes. Beautiful fish. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. See, the little mouths, they like that small stuff. Oh my goodness gracious. He's probably what? Oh, he's probably 3.5. Very nice fish. Oh, that was a blast. Didn't even realize he had it. Nice. The fish was almost instant. Oh no, he missed it. Oh no. Oh, he destroyed my crawl. Oh, he just had the crawl. He didn't have the jig in his mouth. Yeah, he only had this part of it and just tore the top of it off. Let's see if he's still in there. I hope he is. I need that fish. I want to show you the guys that fish. So here we go. Come on. Nice cast. He's already got it. Oh no. Well, like the first. Oh yeah, he's got it now. There he is. This is another nice one too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Beautiful, beautiful fish, beautiful fish. Stay on there, baby. Stay on there. Don't you come up. So now you can come up. Oh, 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 beautiful fish. Stop it. There goes another crawl. Oh no, he was hooked good. Come here. Let me show everybody. Let me show you to everybody. Oh, another beautiful, beautiful fish. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. These are such beautiful fish. You know, ever since I came out here the first couple times, the very, very first time I came out, I caught one of them, and my God, I was hooked. I was hooked after that. God, I love catching these fish. They, you know, in my other videos, let's let them go here. Oh yeah. In my other videos, you know, I've catching largemouth and stuff, but after coming out here, I'm hooked on smallmouth. I love it. I love catching these things, especially out here in the river. You know, they're still up really shallow, right off the bank, which I really like doing. You know, I love casting at the bank, you know, and at cover, and you know, I love it. I'm having such a blast out here. I'm hooked. Right underneath that tree. Come on, he's got to be right in there. Come on. He was there. He was. Oh yeah, there's one. Oh yeah. Stay on there. Oh yeah, very nice fish. Very nice. Oh, stay up here. No, stay down, stay down. Stay down, stay down. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at that monster. That's a 5-pounder at least. Oh. Look at that beauty. Look at how fat he is. Oh. Oh, that's such a beautiful fish. Oh. Holy crap. I have no words. This thing is beautiful. It's at least 5. Yeah, that's a very nice fish. Very nice. Let's get him back in the water. Oh. Well, there you have it, boys and girls. Another video in the books. I haven't posted one in a while, and I'm sorry about that, but anyways, yeah, if you guys haven't gone and checked out the merch yet, go check that out at realmnbasstv.com. Also go, I'll leave the link in the description, but also go check out Empire Rods. Their fishing rods are great. I used it in the video. Also, go follow me on Instagram at RealMMBassTV, and I think that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a blast out there, if you guys couldn't tell, but yeah, so this is RealMMBassTV, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.